Okay, so I just finished up my my Terminator install. I ran the harness through where you run the stock harness. I had to make the hole a little bit bigger, but it wasn't bad. I mounted the relay, and then what I did was Solomon on LS1 Tech made a good write-up. You take this white connector, right, and it has everything that you need. So it's got key on power, ground, fuel pump, feed, and everything to plug the Holley into. And then I reused the stock wire that goes down to the starter. I ripped it out of the old harness. I just put new loom over it. So that goes down there to the starter. Still utilizing that. There's a couple pins on that white clip that you have to ground out, that I have grounded out here. But I put the wiring diagrams in the post too that are off Solomon's post. I have the battery at the back. I mounted my computer under here. I have my main power wire right down in here in the loom. It runs all the way to the back to my battery. So here's the power and the ground on the battery. Also, this one is the red cable coming off the engine harness. This is what powers your injector, so you have to run this back to the battery as well. There's my fuel pump stuff for my 3 pumps. And then I just ran the harness down through here. Pretty easy. I went to O'Reilly's and bought this loom. It was like 20 bucks for 20 feet. It's in like the hot rod section. I just ran it straight to there. I have my dash. Terminator coming down. Under. I just ran it to the back and then connected it there. So it's very easy. Once I got the old harness out, it was like an hour or two. Fires right up. Runs good. The last thing I need to do is wire my electric fans to the Holley. Right now I just have them jumpered into a relay spot, but I'm gonna wire those over to the outputs on the Holley and then try to set that up here in a little bit. But that basically covers it. Super easy. I'll put the diagrams on what pins to ground down and what pins to attach at the bottom of this to make it easy for everybody. But that's how you install a Holley on an F-body.